Now then, just in case anyone was curious about what my van setup looks like, this is my van. It's a 2017 Ford Transit Connect. Not the biggest van by any means, but it's actually pretty ideal for what I want to use it for. Yeah, and I've got it set up for everything I should need for the next 45 days for the most part. And by the way, the van, I'm still working on a name for it because I feel like it should have a name for this type of trip. So if you have any good suggestions, just throw them down there. But this is what we're working with. So I've got, sheet up there that I can put down as a curtain for the front. We've got my bed here that no pillows right now because they're still on my actual bed. But one problem at a time. Good beanbag chair to lounge in. Oh, it's all nice and good, and I can pretty much just do whatever I want whenever I want in this thing. I've got the necessary drawers full of clothes. I got about 12 days worth of clothes in here when it's full. Most of those clothes are currently in the laundry. So, getting ready for the trip. And then we have these shelves that me and my cousin built. I say me and my cousin, it was pretty much all my cousin. But one has snacks, the other has toiletries and other necessary things in it. So yeah, that's all good. And just in case it ends up getting a little dark in here at night, because that light goes off because it's partially done, I have little... Oh, it's not going to work because it wants to make me look bad. There we go. I have little LED lights all up on the ceiling, and as you might have seen, they can change color. So, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's most of it. I got a water jug back here that I can refill at pretty much any Walmart. And yeah, this is my setup. It's pretty nice. I like it. I'm comfortable. I'm not a tall man, so this is more than enough for me. Most of these curtains that I have up are held up with like magnetic hooks and stuff. So I can just move them out of the way before I start driving. That way, if I need the visibility for any reason, But I've done a couple short test runs of this setup, trying to find any glaring flaws in it as I went along. And so far, going about 4 or 5 days at a time living out of it while working in another town, it's worked out really nice for me, actually. So I'm looking forward to the trip. I'm leaving first thing tomorrow, which is only relevant if you're watching this on the day it posts. So I guess if you're watching this later, you can look at my other videos and see just how many days it's been. But yeah, see you all along the journey.